Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Possible on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on App Store and search for Possible, just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here. Tap on this download icon right over here, and once you've done that, it's going to take a little while to download and install onto your device. However, it just depends on how speed your internet really is. So let's just wait for that for a bit. And now, once it is downloaded and installed on your phone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on open. And there you go. Now you have it. You can check your eligibility or simply go ahead and tap on login. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you.